Most people think a down payment is the responsible part of buying a car. Like if you put enough money down, the deal becomes safe. That's the lie. A down payment can lower the payment a little, but it can also delete your cash buffer, lock you into a loan you can't breathe inside, and set you up to lose twice the moment life gets loud. This is for the person who wants a car, wants to be smart, and doesn't want to get trapped by a monthly payment that quietly becomes a second rent. Today, we're auditing the down payment illusion. You'll learn why a down payment often doesn't fix the payment the way you think, why dealerships love seeing cash up front, and the auditor's rules for when down payments help and when they hurt. Here's what most people miss. Down payment doesn't protect you first. It protects the deal. Let's break it down. Here's the trap. A salesperson shows you a monthly payment, you flinch, and then they offer the comfort button. Just put more down. So you do, because it feels responsible, because it feels like you're not financing as much, because it feels like you're reducing risk. But what you're often doing is trading something priceless liquidity for a change that looks meaningful on paper and feels small in real life. Assume a 7-2-month loan. Assume your interest rate is not great, but not insane. Assume you add $5,000 more down. Depending on the APR, that extra $5,000 might change the payment by something like $70, $100 a month. That's not nothing, but here's the audit question. Would you rather have $5,000 in cash you can deploy instantly when life hits, or $80 month cheaper payment while still being locked into the same contract, the same insurance requirements, and the same risk? Because once the down payment leaves your account, it's gone. It doesn't protect you from repairs. It doesn't protect you from income drops. It doesn't protect you from medical deductibles. It doesn't protect you from being forced to sell at the wrong time. It protects one thing very well. It protects the deal from falling apart. That's why they love it. If you can put more down, you look committed. You look emotionally invested. You look easier to close. So yes, down payments can reduce financing, but they can also become a confidence trick. And confidence tricks are expensive. Part 2. What a down payment really does. A down payment does three main things. 1. It can lower the amount financed. That's obvious. 2. It can change approval odds. Sometimes lenders care about skin in the game. 3. It can reduce your monthly payment. But here's the part people misunderstand. It reduces the payment within the same bad structure. If the loan term is too long, if the interest rate is too high, and if the total vehicle price is wrong for your life, the down payment is just a bandage on a broken system. You're still signing a long-term obligation with insurance pressure and a depreciation curve that punishes you early. So the correct question is not, can I lower the payment with a down payment? The correct question is, should I be accepting this payment structure at all? Because a down payment can be used to mask a mistake. And if it masks a mistake, it becomes part of the trap. Part 3, the auditor's frame. 3 buckets of money. Before we even talk about rules, we audit the money itself. Every dollar you have belongs in one of 3 buckets. Survival cash, rent, food, basic bills, minimum stability. This is oxygen. Shock absorber cash. Repairs, deductibles, job wobble, real life. This is your don't panic layer. Optionality cash. Money you can use to make your life better without risking stability. Here's the rule. If your down payment pulls from survival cash or shock absorber cash, you are not being responsible. You are trading safety for a feeling. That feeling lasts one weekend. The loss of cash lasts months. A down payment is only responsible when it comes from optionality cash. If you don't have optionality cash, your down payment is probably a trap. Group 1, deal rules. Stop agreeing to the wrong contract. Rule 1. If the term is doing the heavy lifting, the deal is bad. Trap. You afford the car because the term is long. Why it feels normal. Long terms make anything look affordable. Fixed rule of thumb. If you need 84 months to make it work, the payment is too big for your life. Do this today. Run the payment at a shorter term like 4860 just to see the truth. Tiny example. If the car only works at 84 months, the car doesn't work. The term is lying. Rule 2. Down payment should never be used to hide a payment you can't sustain. Trap. You put $5K, $10K down to get the payment down, but your budget is still tight. Why it feels normal. A lower payment feels like relief. Fixed rule. If the payment still makes you anxious, you didn't solve the problem. You just prepaid part of it. Do this today. Ask, would I sign this loan if my down payment vanished tomorrow? Group Do Cash Flow Rules. Protect your life from the care. Rule TRAW. Your down payment is not a flex, it's a risk transfer. Trap. You feel proud because I put a lot down. WHYI, it feels normal. It feels like financial maturity. Fix Rule. Treat down payment like an insurance decision. It must not weaken your emergency layers. Do this today. Keep your shock absorber cash intact before paying a dollar down. Rule 4. Your all-in transportation cost matters more than the payment. Trap. You focus on the payment and ignore the rest. Why it feels normal. The payment is the only number they repeat. Fix Rule of thumb. Look at payment plus insurance plus fuel plus maintenance. If that total feels like it crowds everything else, it's too much. Do this today. Write your monthly transportation stack on one line. Payment plus insurance plus fuel plus maintenance equals total. Rule 5. Don't turn your emergency fund into a down payment. Trap. You drain savings to save money on interest. Why it feels normal. It sounds mathematically smart. Fix Rule. Liquidity has value. Losing liquidity creates expensive mistakes. Do this today. If your emergency savings drop below your comfort floor, pause the purchase. Tiny example. The interest you saved disappears the moment you put a repair on a credit card at 25% APR. Rule 6. If you can't absorb a $1,000 surprise after buying the car, you bought too much car. Trap. The payment fits only when life is perfect. Why it feels normal? People budget for average life, not real life. Fix Rule. Build in shock capacity. Do this today. Ask, if a $1,000 surprise happens next month, do I panic? Teeny example. If the answer is yes, the car isn't affordable. It's fragile. Group 3 Behavior Rules. Stop getting manipulated. Rule 7. A down payment protects them first, not you. This is the line you need burned into your brain. When you put cash down, it reduces the lender's risk and increases the deal's stability. You feel safer because you own more of the car, but your risk is not ownership percentage. And cash flow stability comes from having cash after the deal, not before it. Rule 8. Never negotiate based on monthly payment. Trap. The conversation stays in payment land. Why it feels normal. It's how they keep you emotional. Fix Rule. Negotiate total price first, then financing second, then payment last. Do this today. Write this script. I'm negotiating the out-the-door price, not the monthly payment. Rule 9. If you need a new car because you're bored, you don't need a new car. Trap. Upgrading for identity, not need. Why it feels normal. Cars are socially loud. Fix Rule. Use a 7-day delay rule for upgrades. Do this today. Wait 1 week, then audit again. Tiny example. Most needs disappear after a week. Payments don't. Rule 10. The best down payment is the one you can afford to forget. Trap. You put down money you will miss later. Why it feels normal. You want to win the negotiation. Fix Rule. If the down payment causes future stress, it's too big. Do this today. Choose a down payment amount that still leaves your shock absorber untouched. Tiny example. If you can't stomach losing that cash tomorrow, it shouldn't be on the hood of a car. Rule 10. The best down payment is the one you can afford to forget. Trap. You put down money you will miss later. Why it feels normal? You want to win the negotiation. Fix Rule. If the down payment causes future stress, it's too big. Do this today. Choose a down payment amount that still leaves your shock absorber untouched. Tiny example. If you can't stomach losing that cash tomorrow, it shouldn't be on the hood of a car. The car doesn't ruin you. The structure ruins you. And the structure is built on one lie. If the payment fits, you can afford it. No. If the payment fits and your life still breathes, you can afford it. If the payment fits but your emergency fund collapses, you are renting your stability to a bank. The Auditor's 4-step decision checklist. Before you put money down, audit these. Cash layers. Do I still have a shock absorber after this down payment? Term reality. Does this deal only work because the term is long? All-in cost. Payment plus insurance plus fuel plus maintenance. Can I still save monthly? Stress test. Can I absorb a $1,000 surprise next month without panic? If you fail 2 of these, don't negotiate harder. Walk. The right deal is not found by trying harder. It's found by saying no. Assignment CTA. This week, write your all-in transportation cost line. Don't guess. Look it up. This month, if you're shopping, negotiate out-the-door price first. Refuse payment talk until the end. If you fail 2 of these, don't negotiate harder. Walk. The right deal is not found by trying harder. It's found by saying no. Assignment CTA. This week, write your all-in transportation cost line. Don't guess, look it up. This month, if you're shopping, negotiate out the door price first. Refuse payment talk until the end.